Hi, I'm Rick Carmona with the Carmona Law Firm, and these videos are here to answer frequently asked questions about estate planning, but we also want to share with you some of the wonderful places we've been through in our travel. This is the Clifton Suspension Bridge in Bristol, England, one of our favorite views in all the world. Today we're going to answer the question, what is a will? A will is a document where you say who gets what and who is in charge of making that happen. Someone named in a will to receive your assets is called an heir or a beneficiary, and the person put in charge of making that happen is called a personal representative or an executor. It's important to note that wills do not apply to assets where you have a surviving joint owner or where you have a living beneficiary designated. For example, on retirement accounts and life insurance, if you have a spouse named and then your children, then those assets will be payable directly to that living beneficiary listed rather than to what your will says. Therefore, you need to make sure that your will is in sync with your joint ownership and beneficiary designations so that your assets are distributed according to your wishes. Contrary to what is portrayed in Hollywood, assets passed pursuant to a will must be done by filing the will with a probate court. It then has to be reviewed and approved by a judge in a public proceeding where your estate has to be represented by an attorney. Before your beneficiaries receive their assets, the personal representative must be appointed and approved, and all your creditors must be notified and paid. This is a long and drawn-out process during which time your assets cannot be transferred until it is complete. People think that a will is this magical document that covers every estate planning scenario. This is a very common myth. All a will really does is tell a judge what you want done with your assets. It's critical and you need it, but you need to make sure that you understand that it must go through the probate process before it is effective. A will is just one part of an estate plan that ensures your legacy. Schedule a call with us using the link below to individually design a plan that works for you.